What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2023 Toyota Corolla. So taking a look at our Corolla key fob, a lot of people may not even realize their vehicle has remote start because there's no dedicated remote start button. In order to use the remote start, what we're going to do is press the lock button 3 times. And on the third time, I'm going to hold it down for about 5 seconds. The vehicle will respond by flashing its lights and then starting. If we want to cancel the remote start, turn the vehicle off before we've gotten in it, what we'll do is just hold the lock button down for a few seconds. Let's go ahead and remote start it again. Now, in order to drive our Corolla, what we'll need to do is get in, and then just as you normally would, you need to press the brake and the stop start button. And now you're ready to drive as normal. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.